Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a glass effect in Elementor. We'll begin by understanding the fundamental design principles behind glass morphism, focusing on transparency and blur. Then, I'll guide you through applying these techniques directly within Elementor, ensuring your design elements achieve that sleek, frosted glass appearance. We'll cover everything from background settings to subtle visual enhancements, making your website truly stand out with this modern aesthetic. First, let's prepare your Elementor section. Begin by adding a new section or column where you want your glass effect to appear. It's crucial to set a background image or color that provides good contrast, as this will be visible through the frosted glass. Next, we'll adjust the padding and margin to give your content ample space, ensuring the glass effect looks clean and professional. This foundational step is key to achieving a polished final result. Now for the magic. Go to the Style tab of your chosen Elementor section. Under Background Overlay, select a color, usually white or a light shade, and set its opacity to about 0.5 or 0.6. This creates the semi-transparent base. Then, we'll add a custom CSS filter for background blur. A value between 8 and 12 pixels often works best, giving that distinct frosted glass appearance without obscuring the background entirely. To truly perfect the glass effect, let's add some finishing touches. Consider a subtle border, perhaps 1 or 2 pixels wide, with a very low opacity to define the edges. A slight box shadow can also add a sense of depth, making the glass element appear to float above the background. Finally, ensure your content placed inside the glass section uses colors that are easily readable. Always test your design across various screen sizes for optimal responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.